Don't want to do the hard work, don't want to get up at 6 a.m., do training, go to class, come after training. And there's so many doubts that come into your head. Firstly, when I saw all my others, when I saw everyone for season 85, I thought I wasn't ready. Coach put that trust in me, but I didn't have that trust in myself. I didn't think I could do it. And that's one thing I want to leave with all of you today, is that you are your worst enemy. The thoughts that are in your head, the doubts that creep in, that tell you you're not good enough, that you can't handle the pressure, that listen to the crowd who say that, she can't do the defense, she can't foul, she can't block. You yourself are the one who's letting that in. And something I want to leave with all of you is to be strong mentally, because that's what's going to push you and go far. When you're strong mentally, you're ready to come to court, you're ready to train, you're ready to give it your all. And that's what volleyball is. That's the beauty of doing volleyball, especially with your team. You're doing it with one another, working hard together every day for one goal, and that's to be the best you can be with your team. So I guess to shorten my whole speech up, my two things I want to leave with you guys is, don't listen to those thoughts in your head. Listen to the people that matter. Listen to your coach, listen to your loved ones. Because they're the ones who know the real you, who know what you're going to go through and what you can be. Don't listen to up here. Never listen to that. Listen to your coaches and your loved ones. As well as always believe you can be better. Never stay complacent. Never think that you know everything. Because even